Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. In today's tutorial, we will learn how we can install Redmine. So before that, let's look at few points about Redmine. So Redmine is a flexible project management web application and it is built on Ruby on Rails framework. It is a cross-platform and cross-database tool and it is an open source tool. So let's try to install Redmine. Below is the link given here. So I will use the Bitnami installer to install the Redmine tool. So let's go to our website. Okay, so this is redmine.org. Uh, you can browse all the topics out here. And this is the bitnami.com stack Redmine. So the Bitnami Redmine stack provides a one-click install solution for Redmine, and so many options are available out here. You can install it on the cloud. You can install it on the containers like Docker, Kubernetes, and of course on the computers like Windows, Mac, Linux, or virtual machines. So I will install Redmine on Windows machine. For that, you have to select this option. Yeah. So after selecting the option, you will get these options out here. So download for Windows 64-bit, download for Mac OS, and download for Linux. So as I'm going to install on Windows, so I will take the setup. I've already downloaded the setup. So let's see how we can install it. Yeah, so this is the exe file for Redmine Windows 64-bit installer. The setup is starting. It is asking you to select the installation languages. So these are the available languages. I will select as English. I'll click on OK. Okay, so the setup opens saying that welcome to Bitnami Redmine stack setup. I'll click on next. So these are the components. They are selected by default. So just click on next. So here you have to select the folder where you want to install your software. So click on the browse button. Okay, so I have created a folder out here, Redmine. I'll give this folder path and I'll click on next. Okay, so here it is asking for the username and email address and the login. So let's give our name. Okay, so I have filled all the details. Let's see and click on next. Okay, so all the details are correct. So we are on the next web server port. So it is saying that the default port will be 82. Click on next. The SSL port will be 446 and the MySQL server port will be 3307. Language will be English. Next. So this is required for the SMTP settings. So if you want the mails to get triggered, and for that, if you want, you can select it. Do you want to configure mail support? And here you have to provide the mails provider, default email provider. Okay, so I've selected as Gmail. Okay, so for SMTP settings, it is saying that this data is stored in the application configuration files and may be visible to others. For this reason, it is recommended that you do not use your personal account credentials. Now, let me give my email out here. Okay, click on next. So deploy Redmine to the cloud in one click and click on next. Setup is now ready. So click on next and yes, so it is installing. The installation is started. Okay, so now it is initializing my SQL database, so it may take some time. It is starting the Redmine service and installing Apache as a Windows service. Okay, so this is like the firewall. It has blocked some of the features of this application, so you need to allow it an access. So click on allow access. Now it is installing Ruby gems. It is initializing the database and it must take some time. So now it's installing the thin cluster as services. Okay, so finally the setup is complete and just select this checkbox, launch Redmi application and click on finish. And so see, yeah. So this is the URL and it says awesome, Redmine is now installed. Now click on access Redmine link. Okay, so this is the home page. Now you need to log in. So I'll click on sign in and we will provide the user ID and password that we gave while registration. So it's already saved for me. I'll just click on login and yes. So this is the home page and it says as logged in as tester123. This is my account. I'll click on my account. Okay, so these are all the details about me, um, my email, language, etc., and all the email notifications. So this is how we install Redmine on our personal systems. So I hope it's clear to you all. If you have any questions, do comment and I will be able to help you out. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Meet you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.